In this tutorial, you'll learn how to change the passcode on your iPhone easily, even if the option isn't visible right away. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and look for the option labeled Face ID and Passcode. If you don't see it, don't worry, there's an alternate way to access it. Tap on Screen Time, then select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Scroll to the bottom of that page, where you'll find Passcode and Face ID. Tap it, then choose Allow. This step is important because it enables changes to your passcode settings. Now, go back to the main settings page. You should now see the Face ID and Passcode option. Tap on it and enter your current passcode when prompted for security verification. Once inside, scroll down and tap on Change Passcode. You will be asked to enter your current passcode again for confirmation. After that, you can set your new passcode. Enter it once, then re-enter it to confirm. That's it, your passcode has been successfully changed. It's a simple process once you know where to look.